Dear Albania, before visiting in 2019, I heard so many stories about you. Most stories that I heard were from people that had never even been in Albania. Don't go there, it's too dangerous. The maffia will get you. Blood vengeance is a real thing there. Don't go, you will get robbed. But then, I hear the story of my brother that had spent some time in Albania. He was so impressed by the beauty of the country and the hospitality of its people. Intrigued as I was, I started soon with planning my own trip to Albania. After road tripping Albania, I can tell you that it is the most underrated country in Europe. Beautiful mountains, secret beaches, but most of all, the friendliest people I have ever met. I'm definitely going back and would advise you to come as well. Faleminderit Shqipëria.